Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a requested chip bag. You guys, I'm going to be doing one inside of Microsoft, and if you guys know, I've only done a chip bag in Microsoft one time, so I don't like using Microsoft pretty much. And whoever do chip bags using Microsoft, y'all the real MVP. The award goes to y'all for real. Because Microsoft, you can do it, but it's just so much. Okay, so I'm just going to start like all the way over. Y'all, I got box on top of, chip bag on top of chip bag. Alright, so first let me see what this measurement is right here. 644 545. 644. Okay, so let's insert a shape. And I don't forgot already what the heck I said those measurements was. All I know was this one was what, 644? Okay, that one I know. And then what was the other one? 545. Alright. So 5.45. So this is pretty much our measurements. Wait, let me click on this, click on that. And you want to do in front of text. That way your object is, free to move around now. Pretty much going to place this directly in the middle, but scoot it over just a little bit. Because if you remember, a regular chip bag, this side over here, what side is this? This is my right. The right side is smaller than the left, so yeah, I don't feel like going into exact measurements right now, but yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with this chip bag, you guys. So first, I'm going to go to shape fill and just hollow that bad boy out. Outline it in black. I don't need to do all that. Okay. So this is pretty much what we got to work with. Alright, so I'm going to do a simple, very simple chip bag, guys. Because it's very hard. Let's go to downloads. Let me see if I can get a theme already together. Yeah. Okay, I could do. Goodness, all of it, the stuff ain't there. Okay, stuff is not there. No such thing as ain't. Okay, bang, bam. We're about to make a Power Ranger chip bag. Okay. Now, as you can see, this image is not moving. It won't let me move it. So in order to move it, you have to go back to layout options and go to in front of text. Now you are pretty much free to move this wherever you want. I'm just gonna stretch this bad boy on across the whole thing, leaving just a little edge. Okay, so what I want to do now, let's insert a border. Let me see, shapes, square. No. Did that look about even? Okay. Shape fill. I'm gonna go with this red. No outline. Yeah, that looks about even. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. What are you doing? Jesus. Okay. Oh my Jesus. See? I can't stand myself. Okay. That looks good, but now that red looks a little bit too bright. Let's change that just a little bit. Goodness, now that looked too dark. I'll set the alarm. Y'all going to school tomorrow. Y'all getting the heck up out of here. Good night. Love you. Sorry, guys. My daughter procrastinating to go to school. All right, now let's get the barcode. Front of text, and let's shrink this down a little bit. This bad boy on over here. That look a little bit too small. Okay, yeah, it looks about right. Insert pictures. Now let's go to our. I have no idea what nutrition facts this is, y'all. This is probably one of the items. It's a marriage one, but you know what? Same thing. We're gonna use it for right now. Now let me lower this just to see if these items are in the middle. Yeah, they look really good. Yep, they look pretty good. All right. Oh, goodness. Okay. Insert. If you have a logo, just even if you got an email address, email address is fine too. Put that mug on your work at all times. Let me tell y'all, I done have customers ask me to remove it, and I'm like, no, I'm not removing my logo. It's my work. Can't go to a Dorito company and say, can you remove your logo? They ain't gonna do it. They gonna look at you crazy. So, okay, let's insert some words now. Okay. Let's just use this one, I guess. Happy birthday. But can we change that font, please? Goodness gracious. Alright, yeah, let's just do this. That red looks so bright. I'll just get that tone down just a tad. Let's go ahead and move it. See, this is the thing. In Publisher, you can just do this and it shrinks the word. But in Microsoft, you actually have to go in and fool with it and set the man. Y'all the real MVP. I tell y'all need an award for this. Y'all definitely need an award. Y'all deserve it. Okay, so we got our happy birthday. Jesus Christ. Oh. Okay, let's get this done. Happy birthday, Noah. Now we gotta go through all this again. All right, going to. It's not the right color. Okay, is that the right color? Okay, that looks better. All right, insert again. Let's go to Word. Let's say thanks so much. Wait, now will this do it? I think this in Microsoft will do it. Now see what just happened. Do I need to bring this forward? Okay, I needed to bring that forward. Y'all. Woo! Y'all put me through it with this request. It can be done. Okay, now see that's the difference on Microsoft and Publisher also. Because Publisher don't do that. Okay, thanks so much for coming out to Celebrate with Noah. With Noah on his special day. Alright. I think all that is good. But can we, let's shrink it down a little bit. Ooh, that's too small. Okay, that looks fine. That looks good. Now let's change the font. Now let's shrink it down again. Goodness gracious. Yeah, this shit back here. See, it's too much. All right, we got it though. We got it. We're doing this. We got it. It can be done. It's just difficult, but it can be done. Wait, did that say Sheffield or what am I? Yeah, see, that's what I thought. Okay, that's the wrong thing, y'all. I want this over here. Okay, now let's go with white. Okay, y'all, it can be done. The chip bag just got done, but Microsoft puts you through so much, as you can see, because this stuff right here and clicking on different things would just get on my nerves. Then it want to highlight and all this craziness. Oh Lord. But I mean, it can be done. Chip bag on Microsoft can be done. So please do not let me steer you away. If all you have is Microsoft, uh, just try it for yourself. Shoot, I'm not good at it, but that don't mean you won't be. Shoot, you can be good. Shoot, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people out there that do chip bags with Microsoft and be doing it up. I just personally just it's a no for me. Yeah, it's a no. But I hope this helped. I somewhat. Um yeah, I struggled there a little bit, you guys, but you know what? We did it. Uh yeah, I guess that was I don't know. If you got any questions, please feel free to ask. But I'm so done with Microsoft. I'm going back to what I like and what I know, which is publisher. Hey, how are you? And I will see you guys soon. Bye.